Good morning, children. Today we'll be doing the chapter Let Us Be Grateful. I'm so sorry I was not able to clearly take the Zoom class due to some network issue, but still only 23 students were present there. That is the reason I'm doing the class. I'm sending you this video. Just listen to the story. It is about how one can be grateful. Do you know the meaning of grateful, children? Grateful means to be thankful. If somebody gives you something, you have to be definitely thankful to that person. Not only give something, if you're going and buying a vegetable, that also, there also you can thank the person. If you're going to the shopkeeper, he's giving you something, you can thank him. Even your maid who is doing your household work, you can thank that person. We must always be grateful. It means we must be thankful for each other and every favor we receive. You know, when you pray to God, it is always we keep on asking God, God give me more good marks, God give me help my parents, God keep my parents safe. Means you're asking all the time. But have you ever tried to thank God for all the beautiful things you have got in this earth? I don't think. So, children, from today onwards, make it a point before going to sleep, thank the nature, thank the living God, that thank Him for everything He has given. So, thankfulness or gratitude is a great virtue. Virtue means blessing. It can be expressed in words and in deeds. When we say thank you, we are using words. When we give a person, when we give a present or return a gift, we are thanking in deed. अगर किसी को आपको थैंक कहना है, मुंह से भी थैंक यू कह सकते हो, या कोई छोटा सा गिफ्ट देके भी आप थैंक यू कह सकते हो. Of course, we must feel thankful or grateful. Only saying thank you is not enough. You should feel that also. But this feeling alone is not enough. Often others cannot understand our feelings. So we must express our feelings. अगर आपने सिर्फ फील किया, किसी ने आपको हेल्प किया और आप मन ही मन फील करे वाओ इसने हेल्प किया, फीलिंग खाली नहीं चलता बेटा. आपको उसे एक्सप्रेस भी करना होता है, दिखाना भी होता है, बोलना भी होता है. When we thank a person, he feels very happy. He realizes that we appreciate what he has done for us or given to us. We lose nothing and the other person gains a lot. It also creates a very good impression about us. It helps to encourage the other person to do more good to others. आपने एक थैंक्स बोल दिया या आपने कोई एक रिटर्न गिफ्ट दे दिया, आपने कुछ भी लूज नहीं किया, बट जिसको वो थैंक यू वर्ड मिला या छोटा सा रिटर्न गिफ्ट मिला, दैट पर्सन वुड बी सो हैप्पी. You know, then that feeling would make him to do more good. So hamesha beta always be thankful. Now when you go to the doctor, doctor treats you and makes you okay or gives you medicines and helps you out, you should thank him. Now the second picture is showing how a computer teacher is helping the boy or a girl to on the laptop or on the computer. So he is thanking him, thanks for helping me with the computer. We must be grateful because we receive favors from others. We enjoy the benefits of other people's hard work. We depend on others for many things. In Bible, now they're going to tell you a story about Bible. Uh, about 10 lepers 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 का मतलब है जिनके कुष्ठ रोग हो जाता है, हाथ पैर टेढ़े मेढ़े हो जाते हैं, वाइट स्पॉट्स पूरे बॉडी में आ जाती है, they cannot walk. No, there were 10 people suffering from the terrible disease of leprosy. बाइबल में एक स्टोरी है जिसमें 10 लोग लेप्रेसी की बीमारी से बहुत ज्यादा परेशान थे. ऑन सीइंग जीसस दे क्राइड आउट टू हिम टू क्योर देम. जैसे उन्होंने जीसस को देखा वो चिल्लाने लगे, प्लीज हेल्प अस. विद हिज डिवाइन पावर इट इज सेड दैट जीसस क्योर्स द सिक. सिक लोगों की बीमारी दूर करते हैं अपने डिवाइन पावर से. ही क्योर्ड देम ऑफ देयर डिजीजेस. जीसस ने उनकी लेप्रेसी ठीक कर दी. दे ऑल वेंट अवे हैप्पीली. सब खुशी खुशी चले गए. However, one of them returned to thank Jesus. उन 10 में से One person came back and thanked Jesus. Seeing one of the 10, Jesus asked where the other 9 were. फिर जीसस ने उनसे उस वन आदमी से पूछा, where are the 9 others? Do we act like the 9, forgetting to thank those who help us in one way or the other? हम भी उस 9 लोगों के साथ जैसे हैं जो एक कोई हेल्प आपकी करता है उसको थैंक यू नहीं करते. नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 11. Gratitude is a virtue we find even in animals. ये जो gratitude, जो thankfulness की जो बात मैं बता रही हूँ आपको, grateful होने की बात जो बता रही हूँ, वो even animals में है बच्चों. Have you seen a dog? If you feed a dog something, आप उसके टेल की तरफ जल्दी से देखना. You will find it wagging the tail. टिंग 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 करके अपनी पूंछ हिला रहा होता है. Have you seen that? It is such a beautiful sight. You know, that dog starts wagging its tail. So it is also being thankful, grateful. It says thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. जितनी बार वो टेल को वेग कर रहा है, हिला रहा है, that means it is saying thank you, thank you, thank you. So we should also be thank you. Now they are going to tell you one beautiful story about a bird and an ant. Once a hunter was about to shoot a bird. एक हंटर एक बर्ड को शूट करने जा रहा है. An ant means चींटी, saw this. It bit the man just as he pulled the trigger. जैसे ही वो हंटर ट्रिगर दबाने ही जा रहा था बंदूक के, उस एंट ने उसे चुटी काट ली. एंट काटता तो बहुत दर्द होता है. He jerked and missed the bird. जैसे ही एंट ने काटा उसको, उसका हाथ हिल गया. Later this bird saw the ant in a pond. बहुत दिनों बाद एक बार इसी एंट को इस बर्ड ने एक पॉन्ड के अंदर गिरा हुआ देखा. About to be drowned, बह जाने वाला था, डूब जाने वाला था. Immediately it flew down and dropped a leaf into the pond. उसने जल्दी से वो नीचे गया, एक लीफ तोड़ के उसने इस पॉन्ड में डाला. The ant got onto the leaf and saved itself. Ant ने क्या करा, उस लीफ के ऊपर चढ़ गया और वो बच गया. It is a story, children, but the lesson is very clear. ये कहानी है, but आपको उसका lesson पता चल रहा है? We must be grateful. So, pride prevents people from being grateful. और जो घमंडी लोग होते हैं, जिनके अंदर pride होता है, they are never grateful. वो सोचते हैं कि क्या है, ये तो इसका ही काम है. बाई करके जा रही है तो क्या हो गया, ये तो इसी का काम है, हम क्यों थैंक यू बोले. नो. डॉक्टर कर रहे तो क्या हो गया, डॉक्टर पैसे ही तो ले रहे. नो. मम्मी क्या बहुत बड़ा काम कर रही है, मम्मी को तो खाना बनाना ही होता है. नो. आप थैंक यू तो बोल के देखो मम्मा को. व्हेन शी ब्रिंग्स यू अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, अ ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क, टेल हर अ थैंक यू, गिव हर अ हग, give her a kiss. See how happy she will be when she sees that. And when your dad comes home, give him a glass of water and thank him for everything what he is doing. See the smile on his face, children. Be grateful to your parents also. They are the first God. Usually such people will be unhappy, those who are not grateful. जो घमंडी होते वो कभी खुश नहीं रहेंगे. They will not have many friends. उनके ज़्यादा दोस्त भी नहीं होते. It is said that an ungrateful person will not be successful in anything. The reason is that they will not get wholehearted support from others. जो एक ungrateful इंसान होता है, वो कभी भी happy नहीं रह सकता. उसके साथ लोगों का कोई support नहीं होता. So this is the story how to be grateful. So children, let us be grateful to everyone. And I am also grateful to you children. You all are so sweet and so darling. And I am very thankful to all of you that you listen and join my classes and do all the work attentively, neatly. I am so happy. I am very thankful. Thank you, children, and a great and big thanks to your parents. God bless you, children. Have a nice day.